Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore one more attar from Swiss Arabian. I had all the samples and I thought that I should share whatever I think about these so you can decide better what you should buy or not. And always test the samples first. This is my rule number one. You have to follow this to save money and regret after. Okay, so the other blend I am trying to review today is named Maysoon. Okay, so Maysoon from Swiss Arabia. So this is a sample vial. I'm not sure it is focusing on this one. Let me see. Okay, Maysoon from Swiss Arabian. So I'm going to use my right hand because on the left hand already I have applied few others or maybe the wrist over here. So let's try to apply this over here. So this is again for women. Let's see this fits the woman category or not. Refreshing, really refreshing, lemony, zesty, a bit sweet. It is leaning towards the one more attar. I think I started with Nora Onyx, very similar to Nora Onyx, but it is more on the yellow side, more on the zesty sweet side. Okay, so here in this attar, the zestiness is not too much, I would say, sharp. It is very mellow kind of because it has some creaminess, maybe musk or other oils have added over here. Overall, I would say that it is an average attar. I would rate it like 5 out of 10. Oh, I think there is some floral that I don't like over here. It is maybe Ylang-Ylang they have listed over here in the... Yes, there are florals that are really pinchy in my head. Now the florals are out and it is more kind of yellow zesty florals. Creaminess is a bit in the background now. It is kind of yellow florals with some zest. That is what I think about this attar. Very sparkling or kind of like shimmering kind of attar. This is really for women, but I really don't like it. I might get a headache if I, wear it, and maybe after this video I have to really wash my hands for the third time. So this is what my thoughts are on Maysoon from Swiss Arabian. Yellow zest, florals, yellow and white florals, maybe yellow florals, Ylang-Ylang, I think it is mostly Ylang-Ylang, with some creaminess in the background, and that is all. This is the whole profile which I am getting. Maybe on other people's skin, maybe it is a bit different, but on my skin, a bit refreshing too. I would add refreshing yellow zest with some yellow florals and some creaminess in the background. So this is what I think the whole scent profile from Maysoon is. So if you are a woman and you like these kind of floral or sparkling kind of scents, I think this is the one you will enjoy. For me, I think I didn't like it at all because it has some yellow florals that might trigger a headache if it has been over applied on someone's skin. So I would rate it like 5 out of 10. I'm not sure how you would rate it, if you have used it or you like or have used any kind of attar like this one. Make sure you put your comments in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this review, and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye bye.